Here is a story about Hazrat Suleiman, Prophet Solomon, his army, and ants. Prophet Suleiman, as was a wise and just leader, beloved by Allah. One day, he was leading his army to battle against an enemy kingdom. As they marched through a valley, they approached a small anthill. The ants, sensing the approaching army, scurried about in alarm. One ant, larger and wiser than the others, stood on a small rock and addressed Prophet Suleiman as, "O great king, we are but small creatures, but we to have a kingdom and a people to protect. Spare us and our home, and we will pray for your victory and prosperity." Prophet Suleiman, as, amazed by the ant's wisdom and courage, smiled and said, "I will spare your home and your people. In fact, I will redirect my army's path to avoid harming your anthill." Thus, army changed the route on the order of Prophet. After that he won the battle by the grace of Allah Almighty.